Hey guys, Pete with Iconic Day Trading, otherwise known as the Capo. Don't have my live screen sharing up yet, nor my room open yet. But I just want to talk about a few trades that I'm in right now, and some that actually worked out very, very well earlier on. But currently, I'm looking here at ICPT. You know, a little double bottom here, triple bottom off the lower deviation. I picked some up at 102, looking for a little pop up here. A little risky, just because of 50 MA sitting right there. I use simple moving averages, but hopefully I'll get up to 303ish and pull the plug, call it a day on that stock. There's a very beautiful fade up here. So you look to the left, you got a prior double top. And the prior resistance became a support. When I went to test it and failed, hit the upper deviation line. Take it short all the way down. I sold a little bit early, but that's okay. I just had more patience, so waited for this double bottom to form, and it came down, made a higher low, and hopefully it'll pay off. My stop on this is actually if it takes out the low of the day. I don't see that happening though. This other one is CBNA up here at the top. I had this short right around the 49.80, 49.70 area. Took a little scaling in. I'm definitely not huge, but I like this stock. Had a nice run, very nice run, and tested a new high, came down, and it's just been grinding at this level. You see, look to the left, it's just been grinding, and so I took a short here. Kind of had two tests, and it failed. It broke to 200, broke VWAP. So I took it short, and it's riding down to the lower deviation right now. So I actually got my finger on the trigger. I don't know if I'm going to cover in this area. Around 48.93 is currently at, it looks like. Or see if it'll break and come down and test this area over to the left. It's 47-ish. Being the lower deviation is there, I'm not going to get greedy. So any sign of a pickup of volume, you can see the RSI in the bottom here is already turned. So I might just pop out of this for the first sign of any serious type of buying or a breach of the 9 MA, simple MA. Pan W has been beautiful the last 3 days. Little expensive stocks, kind of, all over the place. You got to go small if you're a new trader. There's a nice pop ICPT. Let's hope this thing keeps on going. Pan W has been beautiful. It just popped up, made new high after earnings. Just got to give some back. Former traders learned, when a stock makes a new high, it has a beautiful run. It's just a matter of time for, it starts giving some of it back. And it's been doing that. It tested it here and failed. Boom, beautiful short. Second day play. You guys know about second day play over at Mike Bellafiore over at SMB Capital. I'm a big fan of his books. Beautiful second day play. Another short. Came out, tested again. Upper deviation band. Look to the left. You see that area right there. It failed. You take it short. The aggressive traders that like to go long could have taken it long off the lower deviation. I did not do that play. Just letting it run out. Beautiful double top, upper deviation. This is where I took it short. I did cover here at VWAP just because I felt like I wanted to. Basically, it just felt right to me to do it. I did leave some on the table. I could have got back in, but I did not. There's just so much going on today. But I took some off over here with the combination of the 200 and the VWAP. So I covered that position. It was a really nice position. Great stock to trade if you can withstand a couple points against you and know if it's real and know if it's just, short covering or, traps or whatever. So beautiful trade. Always got to have your predefined risk in whatever you do, especially in this stock, because this stock's gets pretty wiry. I'm still watching the CBNA up top. Looks like it's starting to curl. So if it breaches the 50 around 49.60, I just call it a day and pop out. here, SQ. I missed this trade right here. You can see this. Look to the left. You can see all the previous support and resistance. I just missed this trade right there. Beautiful top. Beautiful top. Trying to go from red to green. I could have taken a short. And you had another opportunity here, taking a short. Boom. Which I did not do. But you still might see some more downside on this stock. Let's see if it comes back, retest the 200. Check the volume, check the RSI, and see what happens from there. So tell me to the left. All right, Tesla. Let me pull that up real quick, or I can. I want to keep my eye on this PANW, PANW. This is live, by the way. It will be recorded when you're reading it, but this is actually live right now. It is 3:08 Eastern time. So this is Tesla. This thing has just been, it's just been great. I mean, if you know how to trade Tesla, and again, you can withstand the multiple point moves against you if you're confident in your setup and you have your confirmations. This is a great, great, great play. This is a classic, iconic setup here. Beautiful. You can see the descending pennant, flag forming, 920 cross. Stock's been weak. Yesterday's just channeling all day long, channeling. Buy low, buy low, buy low. Short. It's just been beautiful. This was nice. Had tested the high, failed, came back up, tried to retest, failed. They got the short right there, coming down, and there's been no reason to get out of it yet. It's still respecting the 20. It actually broke, went from green to red. No reason to get out yet. It's just a beautiful, beautiful trade. And the one that I really liked, sorry, let me check my ICPT. It's doing alright. Alright, the one that, actually two. Let's pull this. Autodesk. You can see it up top. This was a really, really nice short. Really nice short. Had earnings a couple days back. So you can see a nice little fade yesterday off the upper deviation, descending 200 MA. Coming down, tested lower deviation, and a nice little bounce, 920 cross. Came up, tested the 50, made a higher low. Came up, tested VWAP and failed. Held support, tested VWAP, failed, but higher low. And then just kind of grounded out the rest of the day. This morning comes in, you got nice off. Say it's nice because it's right on. It's right on 200, right on the upper deviation. What's your risk? Your risk basically would have been right here, right around 154. Take it short, down to the lower deviation, get the cover. For the aggressive traders, you could have left it open, and you could have added on the VWAP failure. Coming down to the lower deviation again. I did not do that. I just took the short and I covered. I should have reshorted it, but I did not. Then you had a nice double bottom, lower deviation. Where's it going to go? Upper deviation. Again, look to the left. You got all this prior resistance carried over. Fake breakout here to the upper deviation. Call that a double top. I would. A little higher, but still double top. 920 cross. And this is where I took the short all the way down. So it's been a really good stock the last couple of days. And probably my favorite, which I hit yesterday. And I was in and out today. Again, I covered a little bit too early on this guy. But the main play was yesterday. So let's just pull this up. You can see it's beautiful short. I'm going to change time frames here, guys, so sit tight. Alright, it's a little bit better. It's 5-day, 5-minute. So you see why I like in the stock. I mean, for those who know how I trade, what I look for, you just see the trades off the upper deviation. Then you see the longs off the lower deviation. Look at this RSI flip. You see the volume. Came up, made a new high. Take it short. What's your risk? Well, your risk is going to be a break of the high day. Never even came close. I just rode this short all the way down yesterday. All the way down. Beautiful. We got today. Came down. Again, nice short at the open to the lower deviation. Just hanging out, a little bounce off the lower deviation of VWAP. Take it short again to the lower deviation. And I'm actually long some right now. So, pretty much flat, like 74, 85, 74. So, I'm sorry, 86, 74. So, hoping to get a little bounce, more than a bounce up the VWAP. If it takes out the low, then I'll just call it a day and get myself out and eat that loss. So, Tesla was a beautiful setup. If you have any questions on the setups, feel free to go to my website and, give me a call or shoot me an email. ICPT, still watching. So you can see this red candle now starting to form right here. And you look to the left, that's where you had your prior resistance right there. So I'm going to let it come down. Hopefully it'll hit the 920.50 and get a nice little bounce up. That is what I'm looking for on that. And stamp. We should get a little pop out of it. So we'll see what happens, And if we don't, we don't. But I am expecting it. There's been a lot of second day plays that have been getting triggered and producing good results. So make sure you keep those second day plays in mind. And without going through much more, I don't know if I covered ICPT, but even yesterday with the ICPT, you can see it just like ATM all day. You see the arrows here. I mean, it's just been a beautiful, beautiful stock. I love trading the stock, in fact, the past month or so. So that's a nice little bullish candle right there. Came down, retest. Finished high. Got the nice little bullish tail on this candle. So let's see where it goes. Let's hopefully get to 103.50, 104, somewhere around there. And I think that's pretty much all I have right now. Probably the best trades with Tesla the past couple of days. CBNA has been a really good trade. I would still continue to keep that on your watch list. ICPT and Stamp. I mean, since that 100 and whatever the hell it was, I think I cut in half. It was 100 point downward, 120 points. Since I cut, man, this thing's been it's been really a great tradable stock. So I've been playing that a lot. And that's really about it, guys. So I just wanted to fill you in what I'm doing, what the market's looking like right now, and the trades that I'm in. So I hope you got some information out of this. If you have any questions, feel free, again, go to my website, iconicdaytrading.com, and shoot me an email. Good luck, guys. Talk to you soon.